First, laying out and determining the point. Customers need to purchase a level and a positioning line by themselves. A group of arches is divided into several sections. There are 3 sections in the video, and the arches are assembled and fixed with self-tapping screws. No beam and W support on the end face. Install one group of beam and W support every other set of arches and fixed with a single clip and bolts and nuts. After the positioning is determined, the clamping position is fixed with self-tapping screws. When setting out, the fixed position needs to be measured clearly, and the customer can install it directly according to the measured position to avoid instability and misalignment. There are no beams and W supports on the end arches. Install one group of a beam and W support every other set of arches. Check whether the steel pipes is twisted. Assemble the ridges and secure the joints with self-tapping screws. The greenhouse has 5 ridges. When fixing the ridge, it is necessary to observe whether the arch is tilted from the side of the greenhouse. The connection between the ridge and the end arch is fixed with a cross-clip, half-pack, and self-tapping screws. The connection between the ridge and the end arch needs to be polished to avoid sharp thorns that will scratch the film during the subsequent film installation. The ridge and the middle arch are fixed with cross-clips or top springs. The use of cross-clips or top springs depends on the size of the arch and the ridge. A total of 6 end columns in a 10-meter wide greenhouse. Fix the furniture action of the end column with Z pieces. Connect the end arch rod and the end column with a single clip, and fix the bolts and nuts. The end column is also inserted into the ground 30 to 50 centimeters. The bottom lock channel is 50 centimeters away from the ground. The upper lock channel is 120 centimeters away from the bottom lock channel. A lock channel is made on the top of the front and rear end faces. And a square lock channel is installed on the top of the ridge in the middle of the greenhouse. Only for simple shady and cross greenhouses, reserve a door opening, and a door must be installed with a lock channel. The lock channels are 4 meters or 6 meters long, and each lock channel is fixed with the connecting pieces, and then fixed on an arch rod with the self-tapping screws. Use self-tapping screws to connect the flattened and punch end of the reinforced rod with the end arch rod. Fix the connection between the middle arch rod and the reinforcing rod with the U-shaped bolt, and insert the other end of the reinforcing rod into the ground. The windproof reinforcing rod needs to be based on the actual situation, turn and bend, and insert it into the saw. Slide to 1 meter by 2 meter store into the door chute, and then screw the door chute on the end column with self-tapping screws. The side of the door with the lock channel is facing the inside of the greenhouse. After fixing, install 4 self-tapping screws on the door chute to prevent the door from scratching left and right. Use a zigzag wire, can be cut into several sections as shown in the video, and fix it on the 2 lock channels at the left and right ends. As long as there is a ventilation, the anti-insect net will be installed to prevent insects from entering. Before installing the film, tape or other things are used. Wrap the connection between the arch rod and the ridge and joint of the lock channel to prevent the film from being scratched by sharp points. Tie the 2 corners of the film tightly with the film pressing rope and pull upward from one side of the arch. Be sure to tighten it tightly to avoid water accumulation, and fix it at the upper lock channel on both sides with a zigzag wire. The top must be taut. To avoid the light transmission, the greenhouse method is like the top film. Fixed on the upper lock channel on both sides with a zigzag wire. The lower end is not fixed. It is used for rolling film. Cut the door opening after the front face is fixed. Put the black side of the two black and white films facing each other, and stick the black and white films together with adhesive tape. Put the black and white film to the roof like the top film, and fix it the square lock channel on the top with the zigzag wire. The black side is facing outward at this time. After fixing it, flip one of the black and white films so that the white side is facing outward. The black and white film is fixed. Install the black and white film on the film roll rod with the pressed film clip as in the video. Pay attention to the black and white film must be tightened. Manual film roll installation on both sides.